Hey everybody, we're going to pick up here where we left off on Tuesday, and today is going to be a review day, and we're going to do more problems like the ones that you worked on Tuesday. So if you would go ahead and open up your journal and reread your notes from Tuesday, that will be very helpful and beneficial to you. So please pause me and go ahead and do that. And I'm just going to move right on to working some review problems with you. I'm going to clear up one thing. I can't remember who asked me. It might have been Nora. I can't remember. But someone asked me about simplifying. So I want to get to that too. I'm going to show you an example. Okay, so I've just copied my steps and put them here in the slide so that you guys can see them. Okay, so we multiply, add, and the denominator stays the same. I am seeing some people leaving the whole number as part of your answer. And guys, the whole number does not. Um, the whole number is included as the improper fraction, and I'll show you what I mean by that. All right, so let's just do a really easy one to review. So let's just do 2.5. So I'm going to multiply my denominator times my whole number. So 2 times 2 is 4. I'm going to add my numerator. So 4 plus 1 is 5. And my denominator stays the same. Okay, so let me do this in a different color because I want to clear something up. So I have some people that are telling me the answer is 2 and 5 over 2. Okay, this whole number is included in your 5 because if you go back and you draw the image of 2.5, okay, so I have 2 holes and the holes are divided into 2 parts, right? Because that's what my denominator says. Okay, so I have 2 holes. I'm going to shade all of those, and then I have a half, right? So how many total pieces are there shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces of 2 parts are shaded. Okay, so the 2 cannot be included because right now the 2 holes is already up here as the 5. All right, so let's do another one. All right, let's do let me get one from your book. Let's do 4 and 3/8. All right, so follow the steps. Multiply denominator times numerator. So 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 3 is 35. Denominator stays the same. So 4 and 3/8 is 35 eighths. Let's do one more, and then I want to talk briefly about simplifying. Let's do 7 and 2/7. Let's do that. So multiply denominator by the whole number. So 7 times 7 is 49. Add the numerator. 49 plus 2 is 51. Denominator stays the same. So 7 and 2/7 is 51 over 7. All right. So I had someone ask me, I think it was Nora. Nora, I'm sorry if it wasn't you, but I'm pretty sure that it was. I had someone ask me about simplifying your improper fraction. Okay, I'm here to tell you right now, every problem that you're going to get today, the answer, what you find will already be in simplest form. Okay, but let's just do something really simple. Let's do 1 as our whole number, and let's do 2/4 as our fraction. So we've got a mixed number of 1 and 2/4. Okay, we all know that 2/4 is 1/2. Okay, so since the fraction of your mixed number is not in simplest form, then that means your improper fraction will not be in simplest form. So let me show you. So 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. Okay, 6 over denominator stays the same, 6 over 4. Okay, so right now we would need to simplify this fraction because I know that 1, 2, 3, and 6 make 6, and 1, 2, and 4 make 4. So these two numbers actually have a GCF of 2. So I'm going to divide the numerator and denominator by 2, and I'm going to get 3 over 2. Okay, so that would be the answer that I would need to give. But here's something, what you would want to do instead of simplifying at this stage is you would want to simplify from the beginning. So if you know that 2/4 is 1/2, you would want to say, okay, well, I'm going to make 1 1/2 an improper fraction instead of 1 2/4 and then having to simplify over here. Okay, so if you simplify first, it makes it a lot easier because then you have 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2. See, they're the same. Okay, so you all will not need to simplify. And I'm not going to add that step in yet, but I did want to show you because some people were interested. Like I said, today you will not have to simplify anything. So don't second guess your answer. Okay. But the only time that you would need to simplify your improper fraction is if the mixed number was not in simplest form to begin with. Okay. One more time, you're not going to see that today. All right, let me delete these. Okay, so the next piece, the next um, I was going to say piece of paper. It does look like paper. The next slide in your slideshow is a video. It is actually the one that you watched on Tuesday about how to convert a mixed number into an improper fraction. And boys and girls, I want you to watch it again. I've literally watched like I think 30 videos today, and I can't find one that's any better than this one or even compares to it without adding something crazy in. And we're not quite ready for the crazy yet. Okay, so just watch this one again for me, and then here is your assignment. It is in your book. It's going to be the homework page, but I'm only going to have you do mixed number to improper fraction because that's all that I've taught you. So it is actually 2 through 8. Okay. And again, all of these fractions are in simplest form. So you do not need to simplify anything. Just follow your steps. Okay. And then where are we? That was your form. You can click this right here to put your answers in your Google form for me. All right, guys. I hope you have a great day. And tomorrow we'll be going backwards. We'll be going the other way. We'll be going from improper. So if you actually look on your paper, we'll be going from improper to mixed. Okay, I knew that was going to happen. But so that's tomorrow's lesson, a little preview there. All right, guys. Hope you have a good day. Bye.